Hello everyone and welcome. To this video I'm going to walk you through how to use AI in Notion. You see, Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform. This is to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your space. Now, before you can utilize it, you have to enable Notion AI, which requires a subscription fee. So, AI features are available to users with a Notion AI subscription, typically around $10 per month per user. So what are the steps to activate or enable Notion AI? Step 1, you have to open Notion on your laptop. Then step 2, click on settings and members in the sidebar. Then navigate to the Notion AI section. And then toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Now once you've done this, we'll go to the AI feature we want to use. The AI feature we want to use is called one-click AI skills. Now what does it do? It provides quick AI assisted actions like brainstorming ideas, creating diagrams, summarizing notes, or translating content. How do you use it? 1. You have to highlight the text you want to work with. Then you choose from suggested AI actions such as explain or improve writing. And the AI will process your request and display the results. It's as simple as that. Please ensure your data is secure by using AI tools that offer data encryption and adhere to privacy policies. And also regularly check for Notion updates to access the latest AI features and improvements. By integrating AI into your Notion workflow, you can enhance productivity, streamline content creation, and effectively manage your projects.